Yeah, children, let's continue 6.3 exercise. So in the first video, I was telling you about the 2 to 5 sums I told. Then yesterday I told 6 to 10. Today let's try to complete 11 to 16 sums, children. 11th sum. Okay, children. In the 11th sum, they told like this, children. Please check. A, B, C, F, B. Okay, children. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. They have given. Okay, children. What is given, children? Angle D and angle F is 90 degrees given, children. And also they give that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. They give, children. They give. So what is required to prove, children? ABD. This triangle is there. ABD. We have to prove ABD is similar to ECF, children. ECF. Children, you have to prove that ABD, this is ABD, children, is similar to ECF. ECF means this is the triangle ECF. These both are similar, we have to prove. Okay, children, I am dividing those both triangles. See, children, this is one triangle. What was that? A, B, D. This is one triangle. What was the other triangle, children, we were having? Like this.
ECF.
ECF. This is 90 degrees, children. Okay, so children, original triangle was ABC. Children, he said that AB and AC are equal. See here, AB and AC are equal. If AB is equal to AC, what does it mean?
Then angle B is equal to angle C.
Why?
Sides opposite to same
Equal sides will
sides.
have equal base angles. Equal sides will have equal base angles. So these both angles are equal. So children, here B and here C are equal. Here B and here C are equal. Now let me go for the proof, children. What is that? The first triangle. What is the
Triangle
first triangle?
ABD.
ADB. And what is the other triangle, children? What is the other triangle? D was 90 F C. Chalo, children. Angle D is equal to angle F. Why? Angle D is equal to angle F.
90
Why?
degrees.
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Angle B is equal to angle C. Why?
Base angles.
Base angles. Base angles. By anyone?
AA.
A
By
similar.
A similarity.
Similarity.
ADB is similar to
Triangle ECA.
EFC. Okay, EFC. Let me check, children. D was equal to F. D was equal to F. B was equal to C. B was equal to C. Placing is correct there. So automatically A. Now, can anyone help me? CPST.
AD by
AD by
by
EF
EF
is
is
equal
equal to
to BD
DB.
by FC
FC
is
is
equal
equal
to
to
AB by
AB by
EC.
EC.
Easy. Very good, children. I hope you all understood, children. So like this you have to choose. So if you write this correctly naming, then writing CPST is very capable, children. Okay, children. Chalo, go to 12th assumption. Children, you have to practice each sum at least 3 times, children. If you don't practice each sum three times, you will forget, children. Practice. Later you will understand. 12th sum, children. There are two triangles, A, B, C, and other triangle is PQ. P, Q, R. What is given, children? What is given? AB, BC, and AD. AD is median, they said. PM. Children, AB and BC and median area of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to PQ. AB is proportional to PQ. Proportional, children. Proportional. BC is proportional to QR. He said, children. He said. See in the book. And AD is proportional to PM. He said. And he also said that AD and PM are medians. He said, children. And what is required to prove? We have to prove that ABC is similar to PQR. Okay, children. Let's start. See here. Children, since AB is proportional to, okay, listen, children. AB is proportional to PQ, he only give. He only give, children. AB is proportional to PQ, he only give. Next, BC is proportional to. Children, BC is proportional to. BC is proportional to QR. He only give, children. He only give. Okay. Listen carefully, children. BC is proportional to QR nearly given. Okay, so this is given, children. Please see here. What is given here? I won't solve. I didn't do anything else. AB by BQ is equal to BC by 2 QR by 2. I am writing by 2 by 2. Why I am writing by 2 by 2? I don't have any right means AD and PM are medians. That's why I am writing. AD and PM are medians. What medians will do? Medians will divide base into 2 equal halves.
Triangles.
Medians will divide base into 2 equal halves. So I can do by 2 by 2, children. So AB by PQ will be, what is half of BC? BD. What is half of QR? QM.
QM.
And angle B is equal to angle Q only. Angle B is equal to angle Q because why angle B is equal to, sorry. And children, actually BD by QM, and just see here, children, just see here. See from here, I will say BC by 2, QR by 2 is fantastic. Why? Because they are medians. Who are medians? AD and PM. And what is the third one? AD by PM. He gave this. This is given one. I wrote just a given one. AD by PM. Now you see AB by PQ. And what is BC by 2? BD. What is QR by 2?
QM.
QM. And AD by PM as it is I'm writing. So by yes. This small triangle is similar to this small triangle. ABD is similar to BQM. Children, this is they only give. This they only give. This small one and this small one we did by 2 by 10 before. By SS, this small triangles are similar. Small triangle by CPST. I will write angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Why, children? When these two triangles are similar, all sides and all angles are equal. These two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. So when these two triangles are similar, all sides and all angles are equal. Okay, children? Then now see here, children. Last one. They already gave AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. They only give first only they give. Okay, all of it. Please see here again. I'm showing A, B, C, P, Q, R. AB by PQ they only give. BC by QR also they only give. And angle B is equal to angle Q. Why angle B is equal to angle Q? We proved it.
CPST.
We proved it. So by yes, A, yes. By S, yes. A, B, C is similar to P, Q, R. Those who did not understand, first what I did means I proved the small triangles are similar. First I proved small triangles are similar. From that I wrote B is equal to Q. And then I took whatever they have given and I also took B and Q. Yes, A, S. Again. Yes, A, yes. Again. Yes, A, S. By say these both triangles are similar. Which triangles are similar? This full triangle is similar to this full triangle. Last time those who did not mention, again I'm saying, first I proved the small triangles are similar, then I wrote B is equal to Q. Once B is equal to Q is gone, over. AB by PQ they only give, BC by QR they only give, B and Q are equal. So by SAS, this full triangle is similar to full triangle. SAS similarity. Very, very important section in 12th and 14th term. Okay, this is 12th section. I hope all of you understood. Please concentrate, children. Practice 3-4 times, then you will get, children. How much you practice, that much perfect you become. If not, you will start telling that triangles is very tough lesson. Why? Because we won't practice. 13th section. D is a point on side BC of a triangle ABC. There is a triangle ABC. D is a point. Children, D is a point on BC of a triangle ABC such that ADC is equal to BAC. What is given, children? Angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Okay, what is required to prove? He is asking. Required to prove is CA square is equal to CB into CD. We have simple, children, very, very simple sum. Those who, please concentrate, children. Okay, what is the original triangle? I am writing ABC. What is the small triangle? ADC. What is the small triangle, children? ADC. If you slowly try to understand, he said that this angle and this angle are equal. I am showing you different triangles. And this angle and this angle is what? Anyone? What is C and C?
Common.
Common angle. Very good, children. Those are listening very good. So I am showing the proof, children. First one, angle C is equal to angle C. In this and in this, why? Common angle. In ABC also angle C is there. In ADC also angle C is there. Now in this triangle, angle A was equal to in this triangle angle ADC. In this triangle ADC. Okay. So by AA similarity, can anyone say correctly which triangles are similar? Can anyone say correctly which triangles are similar? A, B, C is
C.
similar to.
Triangle
DAC.
AC.
D.
A was equal to
D.
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 DAC.
B was equal to,
A.
forget. First C was equal to C. D over C over. What is left over? A.
A.
So you should say A was equal to D. C was equal to C. So of course B was equal to A. So these both are similar triangles. Can anyone tell CPST now? CPST for this
AB
book.
by D.
AB by AD is equal to
AB by
DC
A. BC by
By AC.
AC
AC is equal to
AC by
DC.
AC by
DC.
DC.
AC into AC
AC square.
square. DC into BC. DC into BC. So that's what we asked for. CA square is equal to CD into CB. That's what they asked. See, that's what, children. Among these three, he cross multiplied this and he gives to confuse us. That's all. So the bigger triangle is similar to smaller triangle in which C was common and this is equal to A. This is equal to A. Okay, children. Next, children, there is one sum 14 sum, children. It's very big sum. I'll say in separate class alone that sum, children, because it takes a lot of time. Now what I will do, I'll tell of 15th and 16th. 14th I will say separately, children. I'll say separately tomorrow. Okay. So next one, children. Next sum, all of you see here. Next sum. We will see 15th sum, children. 14th I will say tomorrow, children. Okay. In next year itself. 15th sum. It's very big sum, children. It will take a lot of time. That's why tomorrow itself. 15 sum, children. 15 sum. A vertical pole of length 6 meters. The vertical pole, vertical means 90 degrees. 6 meter casts a shadow. Definitely it will cast a shadow. How much it is casting a shadow of 4-meter shadow? Because of this pole, 4-meter shadow is there. Okay, 4-meter long shadow grown. At the same time, a tower of 28 meter long. A tower at the same time, tower casts a shadow. Tower casts a shadow of 28 meter long. What is the height? What is the height? Okay, children. I'm doing this in geometry and trigonometry. First, since it's a geometry lesson, first I'm doing this. See here, children. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Why, children? Any tower or building will be constructed 90 degrees. Slantingly bound will construct. Angle A is equal to angle P. Why? At a given time, sun's inclination will be same at all points. At a given time, sun's inclination angle will be same. So, by AA similarity, ABC is similar to PQR. ABC is similar to PQR. So, children, let's do with CPST. What is CPST, children? What is CPST? CPST 6 by H. 6 by H is equal to 4 by 28. See, children, this by this by this by this. That is only CPST, no? So, children, H cross multiplication, you go 6 into 28 is equal to 4 into H. 4 you send H is equal to 6 into 28 by 4. 4 sevens are. So 42 meters is height of building. This is geometry. Anyone wants to say trigonometry or shall I do? Yes, children, trigonometry, how to do? Anyone?
Sir,
Fine. Yes, anyone? Tan theta
Sir.
in ABC, tan theta is how much? 6 by
6 by
4.
6/4.
What is tan theta here?
H by 28.
28.
H by 28.
28.
Equal tan theta 6 by 4 is equal to H by
H by
H by
28.
28. Oh, what 28 you send up? 6 into 28 by 4, 7. 42 meters is the height of the building. This is trigonometry, that is geometry. Okay, children? Geometry is by A, similar T. Everything are interlinked in maths, children. Okay. Last sum for the day, children. 16th sum. 16th sum, children. What is 16th sum? AD and PM are medians, children. AD and PM are medians. Medians means what? Divides the base into equal halves. Medians means divides the base into equal halves. Medians means divides the base into equal. This and this are equal, this and this are equal. AD and PM are medians of ABC and PQ respectively, and he said these both are similar. He said that ABC is similar to PQR. ABC is similar to PQR. Okay, what is required to prove, children? AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Okay, children. Yes, children, how to do? So, very easy sum, children. We have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Okay, children, he already said that ABC is similar to PQR. Tell me CPST, children. Anyone? Tell me CPST.
AB by PQ.
AB by PQ.
BC
BC by QR.
BC by
by
QR
QC.
is equal to
AC by PR.
AC by PR, children. Okay, this is not needed. Leave it, children. Now, AB by PQ is equal to. Can I write BC by 2, QR by 2? Can I write?
Yes, sir. Because
Why I can write? Because
they are medians.
AD
Median
and
PM.
PM are medians. If they won't say that is median, I don't have any right to write like that. Now, AB by PQ is equal to. What is half of BC? BD.
Median.
What is half of QR?
QM.
QM, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Why angle B is equal to angle Q? Because they are already similar. They are already similar. That's why B and Q are equal, A and B are equal, C and R are equal. They are already similar. By S, A, yes. By children, by SAS. Yes, children, by SAS. By SAS. Which two triangles are similar? ABD is similar to PQM. The small triangles are similar. The small triangles are similar. This we got. This we wrote. Sorry, BD we wrote. No, BD by QM we wrote, and angle B is equal to angle Q. So these two small triangles are similar. Since two small triangles are similar, can anyone help me telling CPS teacher?
AB by PQ.
AB by PQ.
BD by
is equal to BD by
Q.
AD by
PM.
PM is equal to BD by QM. But this much is enough. He asked that one. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. AD by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Okay, children? Okay. So AB by PQ by AC by PR because they both are similar. From this I need not take this. I took in this by 2 because AD and PM are medians. So AB by PQ is equal to AB by PQ is equal to ABD by QM. Angle B is equal to angle Q because they are similar triangles. When these small triangles are similar, CPST, I got AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Hence proved. Okay, children, thank you so much. Anyone have any doubts? You can ask.